Hello everyone! Instagram guides will help you to promote your business in a catalog-like collections. This way, you'll be able to group your content as a way of albums or groups of content collected into one resource. So your audience will be able to find specific topics much easier and faster. Leads, you can take it from here.
Hello everyone, Leeds here. Here's an interesting part of Instagram which describes guides as a way to more easily discover recommendations, tips, and other content from your favorite creators, public figures, organizations, and publishers on Instagram. Guide can be created if you have a business or creator's account. For example, a food blogger can create a guide that has different food topics, meat recipes, desserts, soup recipes. How will you do that? From your Instagram profile, tap on the plus icon in the upper right corner and select Guide from the Create New pop-up menu. Choose a type. You can choose from 3 options for guides: places, products, or posts. Guides can use content from your feed posts, reels, or IGTV videos, not from the stories. If any Instagram reels or IGTV posts have been shared to the feed, those can be included in guides. Places. Tap on the Places option. You can choose the location by searching for one. You can pick the location that you once saved or from one of your posts. When you choose the location, Instagram will put up all public content tagged with that location, not just yours. Also, if you have a local business with a physical location, an example store, cafe, or restaurant, it will present you every time when someone tags a location. Now tap Next. You can choose a different cover for that specific place, write a title, description, and add another place. By tapping the Next button, you will post your first guide. Products. Instagram shows you posts related to a single product from one's account. After you select an account for their products, or from Products tab, your posts, or from the shop from accounts that you follow, choose a product, and tap on the Next button. Choose a cover, write a description and title. Add more products if you want. Tap Next, and your guide is shared. Posts. Here you can choose from your posts or saved posts of other accounts. Previously saved, you can choose up to 30 posts to share to a single guide. Select the posts you want to include. Again, choose Change Cover Photo, add description, title, add more posts, tap Next, and share. The posts will be uploaded in order you are adding them. Select the oldest content first if you want your content in chronological order based on the date the content was created. Title. For the title, choose the one that clearly explains the guide and what is this guide about. More details you can add at the description part. Cover photo. You can change the cover photo at any time you want. Guide cover is a 3x4 portrait size, so it will crop your image accordingly. You can drag to reposition the cover image, and cover can be made by one of your post photos. Adding post to guide. Tap on the plus Add Post option at the bottom of the page. Rearrange or delete posts. Tap on the 3-dot icon in the upper right corner of the selected guide post. Choose Remove from Guide to remove that post. From your share screen, you can preview a guide by tapping on Preview below the cover image. If you're ready to publish it, tap on Share. Also, you can tap on Save as Draft so you can finish it later. Guide icon looks like a newspaper, and it will appear on your account's page. Share. Tap on the share icon in the upper right corner. From here you can share it to your story or send it via DM. Like any other message, if you share it via DM, you can also type a message explaining what you're sharing. Remember that others can share your guide as well. Location. If you tap here, the guide will show you the exact location of your guide on the map. Guide is a sort of a catalog, so be sure to use it in a way that promotes your business, increase sales, and interest for your product and service. Well, that's all for me in this video tutorial. See you in the next one.
Thank you, Leads. You've been very helpful.